It's a pretty cold one here today, but before I give you an update on the lawn renovation that we started a couple weeks ago, let's recap what we did. We dethatched the lawn, then we raked it, then we scarified, then we raked again. We put down grass seed, fertilizer, and straw. So let's take a look at the results and let's figure out what we're going to do next.
So I was walking around here, and what I noticed is, like in this area here, I don't see any of the new grass seed that came up. This is all part of the old grass. There's another spot here where we didn't put anything over the top, no straw, but I do see some new grass that came up. I did give my dad very strict instructions to water at least twice a day, which he did. We're coming out of about a week's worth of rain, and I think a lot of the seed may have gotten washed away of the sections that wasn't covered up by the straw. But you can see in here, there was actually really good growth anywhere that we had straw down. And that was the area that we went back and forth quite a few times with the dethatcher and with the scarifier attachment to really tear it up, so that that section that always dies out would have some grass to come in. One of the things that I would probably do different next time is to make sure that we kill out all of the weeds that were there. There's quite a bit of dandelion, more than what I thought when we started this. So there's a good chance down in the lower section by the driveway, we may have to overseed that again in the fall. We'll do another round of fertilizer in about 2 weeks. Towards the end of the month, we'll look at maybe trying to spray some weed killer. We just have to see how this new grass is coming in before we start doing that, because certainly we don't want to inhibit its growth. Overall, this looks pretty good, much better than what we started. We'll see how things come in over the next few months, and the big test will be getting through summer. So stick with us as we continue to work on this lawn and see what we can do in a season. Slow and steady wins the race. And if you didn't see the first part of this lawn reno, watch this video right here.